Sorkar TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Manus nam daki lakbon ki bakwa penpenda ke MBBS Henry Kindiat e ki bapas ke admission kalapli ha Emmanuel Coaching Academy epi join menta pinyo e ki kot bat ki e-materials kin don ru ki mock test ban pen kraya pi na benda ka neat.
Usembut menjerong ba ke Jylla wa snia balang dhar ulo ong ba ke Sorkar Jylla kanya Kren Janai bah bat ke Sorkar Pdeng ban pendet no ya ke jinghe ke jaka na ke benta ban ai Laisen ni ki try par Dewïong bat ulo ong ru ba ke ni ke de ke jingdawa ke balak hamslem na kinong shong shnong ulai thu ha kala singi ublei ba ke Sorkar kelai kendo ikinong khayi Dewïong ye ki association bat ya ke coordination committee ke bami khmat na khasi jain tia bat garu bat ulo ong ba ke jingalang kalong ke ba seiso Hakani ke jingalang lai thu bagla penpau baka scientific mining ke bamenta kam ya ham namar baki berit kim kot bor ke bahab bandan ya ke jaka ke badaki ekar kumta ke Sorkar kala shim ya ke rai banyak Kren ber ke Sorkar India bakan kampenrin kenang ba barok kin la banyak trei
Kalau Kumno ke bayadai berkatu ke meeting belum yang yung CM nama bahagini ki banai balade ki bapiligi ki call to the association lembaga coordination committee juga ki baru Laisen bergaro kasih baca dia maka kumbalong mutakan ni ka presence formula jongan ni scientific mining imat Kumno feasible tsani nama kalau tu complicated marangi mostly ni ada ka rat hol mining tiba pli ki wan oat ki wan nam ki penapat skong tengah ni kelingin junga for the last 1 month ngala ong to one no daka way but alternative formula what we should do Temenin kita sangat lapor lah presentnya ka presentation ke joki. Saya presentation kalau kebaik tenan nama ki bon ki mention aku nama ba kawe ki ang bangin request ke government India ban reduce ya ketuka arspa aktar tam segi sausan akar nama kena begini lokal jungi bapingin le kila man le mining. That's very good idea. Number 2 kila frame lang bat ki formula hai bat sistem Kumno min le kenang ba lembaga whole mining if possible lembaga scientific aspect de location tega tu kila present ni sekarang dengan sotuna pau dia tu epi ba na kedengi kum ke Sorkar ke dalam chief minister ngilai ngi agree ba ketika jing aju di bapli tingi mentangin move to government of India barkala if there is provisions kena Sorkar India kan island ngi ka state government in form in plan no ke mining la juga ke plan prepare ke plan ke mining la juga kum ke bahasa acak ni te kata ngi la kular ban follow up immediately te hada ngin support but yo kala namla ma don central laws don state laws tingi la dengan government tingi la ngam CM tingi la pembagi ngin present lang ye ketuga baki present minin haga ting ju tingi meet up the call minister or union ministry ke jo pengila mi prime minister don bro presno ke jinga nama ba the present scientific mining is not feasible in the state of Meghalaya. Kindly give us some special consideration if it is possible. Kita kada kejingnya good min meeting kejongi. Hakat namar bros katu nimpat experience ke mining bro state. And nobody knows what type of mining is yet to come. Dan la ada pas katu sa nakongin perlait swa. Ka thongjuk Sorkar katu por nakongin live sa ka. Yes, we accept it. Hanya la poi katu ka system berkalong kisah ka ini. Ban sing namu biasa komen India for request. Kita ada kini. Kalau jadi komen. Today we had a meeting with all the coal-traded associations who lead from that coordination committee between all the 3 regions, Garo Hill, Giant Hills and Khasi regions. And it was a very fruitful meeting and positive meeting. And we listened their suggestions and ideas and we accept their presentation also, which is very genuine. So they request us with the present scientific mining system is feasible in the state of Meghalaya, which require large area of land. So that is point number 1. So we are ready to move to the government of India to request them to reduce the size of mining area at least so that our local miners can do minings accordingly. And number 2, so we will request the government of India so to give us the permission to grant license from the state level for the small miner if possible. So this is the discussion. So we are committed and promised to our beloved people. We will move immediately to the government of India. We will request by the our coal miner association. Small miner mean maximum 5-6 hectare. That's all. So let us see. Number one, if the government will exempt, allow us to give license from the state level, we will work accordingly. Why the present formula, the present scientific reason is which is related directly with open case, which is not possible at all. And yeah, if it is interrelated with the rat hole, so many system has to follow. We have to look with the other state how it does. Simple as that. So therefore, there is so many systems, so many formulas, so many systems we have to follow. If they allow us, that suppose if government of India grant us a permission, we will sit accordingly with our miners. We will listen from them. Let them suggest accordingly how, because it's a new formula. If they allow us, we will work together. We will work accordingly with them only. As of now, some state, for example, like Goa for ore mining. So that's we have to see from law what under which section they have allowed. So that's yet to find out. We from the Dewïong we already started 6 appointment. Even yesterday, as soon as the meetings our other chief ministers already connected with coal ministry when appointment is. Affecting you know very well because the affecting of coal mining of coal ban is really tremendous. That is why we saw by our own eyes. It's really suffer. That is why we want to move very aggressively to the government of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Jylla is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.